Hey guys, we are going to read this story called Wonderful Winter. Winter has arrived. Brrr, it's cold outside. It's time to bundle up, put on a coat, and pull up the zipper. Ah, nice and warm. But what are we forgetting? He definitely is forgetting his shoes, I think. That's right, a hat, scarf, mittens, and boots. Now we are ready to go outside. Open the door. It's snowing. Touch the falling snowflakes. How many can you count? Let's try to count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I counted 10. Let's build a snowman. Give him eyes, a nose, a mouth, and 2 arms. All done. Wave hello to the snowman. Now we'll go sledding. Pull your sled up the hill. Ready? Sit down and hold on tight. Whee! That was fast. Let's make snow angels. Don't forget to move your arms and legs. Those are great angels. Blow each one a kiss. Now let's go ice skating. Slide your finger around the ice. Whoa, that's slippery. All that fun has made us hungry. What's for dinner? Yum, alphabet soup. What letters do you see? Can you spell a word? Ooh, we see the word snow. And now some hot cocoa for dessert. Tap the white marshmallows. Let's drink it by the warm fire, nice and cozy. We can dream about all our winter fun and wait for spring to arrive. Bye, guys.